Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in this video I'm just going to add texturizer on my hair. Yeah, so it's been a while. I don't know, I think it's like about 5 months or 6 months or thereabouts. I just finished braiding my hair from the protective style like cornrow I had. So in today's video I'm going to go ahead and texturize my natural hair. And the last time I used this product, but not for the kids, I guess. So today I'm going to use the kids one. Regular is, you know, really good because it won't take out your natural hair. It will just keep your natural hair the way they are, but just make it a little bit soft, like easy for you to work with. That's why I like it. So the kids one will actually make it is even better, like to keep your natural hair and all that. The last time I used this one on my daughter's natural hair, was like her natural hair didn't even move, like just the way they are, but it was soft, like as if it was detangled, like nothing happened. I don't know if maybe because the way I did the hair, like I actually handled it very well. So in today's video I thought, why not use it on my hair, because I don't want my natural hair to get away from what it is now. I just wanted for it to be softer when I'm doing my hair. So yeah, I said let me go for the kids one. Yeah, if you want to see how it turns out, just keep watching, guys. So mostly relaxers, they have regular and super strength, something like that. Yeah, so if you have natural hair, please make sure you go for the regular one. Yeah, just to be on a safe side. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my texturizer out. I'm just going to show you basically what is inside this, and this is a one texturizer, and this is one, and this one is two, and this one is three. This is detangling conditioner, and lastly, so this is a Kiss texturizer called softening lotion. So yeah, this is four. So, and another thing that amazed me, most relaxers, most texturizers, they have activator. I think that is the thing that makes hair to go a little bit straight sometimes, but but this one doesn't. It actually surprised me the last time I used that on my daughter's natural hair. I didn't see textures. I was like what's going on, let me, and I didn't see. And today again I did not see. This is what I have here, and you can see this is one, this is two, shampoo, and three is conditioner, which is this one, and then four is softening lotion. So basically this one doesn't have any activator, so which is, you know, a bonus. This is one of the reasons why I went for this one, and I like it because no activator, so your hair definitely won't you know, move. It will just soften your hair, and that's it. So guys, I'll just go ahead and jump into the video. So I thought I should show you. This one is very good as well for kids. This is just for me. I use them on my kids natural hair. I just thought I should show you. Yeah, I think this one has activator. I will just to cross check and show you guys. This is step one, and this is 1B, which is the activator I was telling you guys that this one does not have. That's why I like this even more. So but this is a very good one as well. Like if your daughter got like a very thick hair, like very hard to work with, you can actually go for this. Yeah, so this one has liquid activator, but this one doesn't. The one I'm actually using doesn't. Natural hair milk, like mayonnaise and yeah, shampoo, and then a protect and yeah, natural hair milk conditioner. But we have to put this one aside because this is not the one I'm actually using. I just thought I should show you what's inside this one, so you know how this one, you know, is really. So this is the one I'm actually going for. So I'm going to go ahead to open the relaxer, and the name is actually Mazuri Kits. I've been raving about this product. It's really good. So you don't miss it anything, nothing at all. And if you're a beginner, you can actually read this to know how to apply it. So there is a gloves in this, just if you don't have one, but I have gloves I normally like to wear. I got the packet of it, so I just took two. This is the one I have at home, so I'm going to go for the one I have at home because it will suit my my hands and all that. So this is the one the relaxer came with, which I'm not going to use it just now. I'm going to go for this. Going to go ahead and use the vegetable oil. I'm going to just use it to add on my hairlines and at the back of my ear and around my neck. This is very important, so to protect your edges and your scalp. And so guys, normally if your hair is so thick, you just need to section it into 4, but my hair is not too thick, so I'm just going to go ahead and start applying the relaxer. So when you're applying, you need to target your roots. Don't apply here. The roots should be a main focus, and you need to do this as fast as possible. So here I'm just trying to massage it well to make the texturizer go in properly. And don't forget your back. And then this is and I comb it. And you want to do this carefully. You can see. This is very important. Yeah, your hair will break a little bit, but it's okay. This is basically what I'm going to be doing until I finish everything. So I'm going to do that quick and I'll see you guys later. So guys, that's it. So after this, you're not supposed to comb it again because this is the processing time. Yeah, so you're not supposed to comb it again. You're just supposed to leave it to process. So this is how it should be. Application time 4 minutes. Like, I'm just going to put it there. But basically the total time of it, it has the application time, it has the softening time for fine, medium and coarse. And for the total time of it, fine hair should stay 9 to 11 minutes. Medium hair total time should stay 9 to 13 minutes. Coarse hair should stay 12 to 16 minutes. So I think my hair is I will not say fully coarse, but kind of in the middle. So I don't want to stay up to 60 minutes, so I'm just going to stay 9 to 30 minutes. So yeah, after 30 minutes I will go ahead and wash it, and I will come back and show you guys how my hair is. See you guys later. I just finished washing my hair, and this is how it turned out. But I just applied conditioner. So after like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I'm going to wash this conditioner off, so you can see how my hair looks. So I'm going to wash the conditioner off in about 10 minutes, and I will come back and show you guys the results. See you guys later. Guys, I just finished washing my hair. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Indian hems. So after that, I'm going to go in with the black castor oil. So guys, yeah, that's the end of this video. In another video I'm going to show you guys how to cornrow my hair. So yeah, but I'm going to end this one here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video.